Today we did the excavation for our walls in our patio. Spending the time to move some irrigation out of the way. We had some of the heads moved. Sometimes irrigation just needs a little tweaking, so it's not too invasive with what we're doing. That way it doesn't cause problems in the future too. Not just present tense, but future tense. Yeah, so just right here you can see I've had to put the irrigation outside of our wall. If you can imagine the wall coming in right here. There was just a labyrinth of irrigation right here. There's been some funny moments of discovering what the irrigation was doing in difficult spots where people do funny repairs, and these are particularly funny. You can see it looks simple. That's all it needed. There's 2 times I want people to be impressed with my work: when I put it in and when somebody eventually takes it out, because nothing's permanent. You gotta expect it one day. Just want someone to be impressed when they take it out. That's my goal. Just sort of busy taking things up and identifying problems and getting them all settled before we complete the installation. We've gotten lucky because the dirt we're taking out is actually useful on site for some backfilling, since we had a concurrent project with repairing and backfilling these bulkheads here. Just having a bit of erosion issue there. So we put a stop to a good portion of that, backfilled it. But yeah, we try to keep your dirt with you. We don't want to take it off site or bring dirt on site if we can just keep it here. There were some problems around the pool this morning that we fixed with concrete. Saw them coming and as we did the tear out, and knew that we'd have to take care of them or they'd become issues in the future. So just a little bit of concrete to cover some gaps around the pool. Glad we found them. So during paver day, the paver guys are busy, but I busy myself with catching up on things like the irrigation that I've set aside or any landscaping that I've set aside. I mean, they often need me for questions and whatnot, but I'll be doing things like putting this irrigation together for what I left from yesterday.